You made 11K in 60 days with a new account.
I'm just a fraud. Oh my god. I'm a fraud. I'm a fucking Framer expert, bro.
You're not talented, you're just popular? You can make 10k on Framer without your following? No way you can make 10k on Framer anonymously? Holy moly, what are they talking about?
I can make 10k. Actually, I can actually make... Fuck it, I can make 10k. Undercover in 60 days. Yep. Let's just do this. Let's make 10k undercover. Let's just do it. I can do this. Orin. Yeah, short, easy to memorize, easy to remember. Orin. I'm gonna also subscribe to Premium because I'm gonna get that check mark. It doesn't have any followers, as you can see it has 0 followers. If I tap the website, you can see it's completely white. I kinda need to put something in there. I'm just gonna put out a tweet to promote it. I'm gonna just say, hey Framer community, in the next 55 days, I'll attempt to build a Framer business from scratch and make $10,000. As you can see, I posted this 49 minutes ago. There's literally nothing happening on this post, like 20 impressions, no likes, no retweets, no comments, nothing. We gotta do something in order to get a few eyeballs. I'm gonna have to share my work.
Because I have these Airbnb pricing cards in Framer. I can use Screen Studio to record my screen, add a few smooth zooms and post it straight to Twitter.
Let's comment, let's follow, let's do something. I have the first follower. I gained 15 followers. Post started doing something. I started posting 6 days ago and it's just 1,000 followers.
And also comment from Framer. Like it's crazy. I don't know what is happening, guys. Like, I think I'm posting great stuff. So when I'm creating a post like this, I'm expecting at least like, I don't know, a few hundred likes. So I didn't do much today. Day 13 wasn't any productive. Twitter is still punishing us. No views. I have to admit I have not done too much work. Well, maybe this 60-day challenge is a little bit harder than I thought about. And we have not made a single dollar yet. Not that good for the challenge. And I might not actually reach 10k by the end. Who the cares? No one cares. Like... I just switch up the strategy, create some templates and make money selling templates.
To create a checkout link for my template, I can just use Polar, create a product there, set the price $149, copy the checkout link, and I'm ready to accept payments.
Day 40. Your template has passed the review and now live on the marketplace. There it is. What in Fit's got at? Oh my god, so cool. I just made my first sale. I literally sold my first template. $149. This is a problem. I have to go on a call and I'm afraid that they're gonna know that I'm Nandi. So the plan is that I'm gonna say that my camera is not working, and then what I'm gonna also do is I downloaded a voice changer that I will use to change my voice.
How you doing?
Doing good. They want it to be live by the weekend. It needs to be done like ASAP.
Boom. Control.com. Guess who's creating his first $2,000 invoice? Orin Fitzgerald.
He literally paid me good money already. Because we need money. We need money. Just draw rectangles, add some text. Click publish and it's live on the internet. Hey man, just sent the order site. Let me know if you have any feedback. Thanks. Bye. I just woke up and I saw a message from the client that, hey, I'm not going to give you feedback just yet because there are a lot of errors and let's just hop in a call instead. I don't get it. First of all, these lines are not, sitting well. The site is breaking. But like the problem is that, and this is not something I can work with. The text and everything is breaking.
Wait. So let's try keeping the conversation to really specific points so that I can go through them.
This is not gonna work like this at
so
all.
you want to cancel this project?
Necessarily, yeah, I won't get what I want, because like I've already paid you 2K.
We agreed that it's gonna have a max fit, and I did the work, and you're saying that you're not paying the full amount. So
What
we
am I
cannot do
getting?
2K for this.
Are you getting my point? I don't think you're getting my point. Because we did the whole fucking thing, bro.
I got a notification.
Please be a sale.
Yes!
Just sold another template, guys. I'm getting rich. We just made the sale.
I just heard a little notification.
Keep them coming. 3K followers, a bunch of posts, booked calls from those posts, 3 discovery calls.
Do you think you'd be down to do like 4K for basically like these 2 pages combined?
Yeah, why not? Let's do it.
Fucking yes, we can make it for 4K.
Hey, Aaron.
I got a little bit more free time, so
yeah, just
Let me know what you need.
We also have to deliver projects, so maybe let's just get to work.
Everything looks alright.
11,579. $60 days. 60 crazy days. Warren Fitzgerald is going to die today. I put my full journey on this full tape, with over 154 hours of real, unfiltered footage, everything from building Orion's personal brand and website in Framer, to creating 5 portfolio pieces that brought in over $8,000 in client work. You'll also see the exact process behind my best-selling Framer template Jet, which still earns $3,000 per month, plus 3 complete client-side builds and 8 sales calls that helped close those deals. I'll also break down the exact posts and strategies that took me from 0 to 3,000 Twitter followers. Every win, every setback, it's all there, recorded and documented. This isn't just my journey. It's a blueprint you can follow to build your own $10,000 Framer business. Click the link below and get access today. I'm gonna reveal this challenge to the Framer team. I'm gonna join as Warren Fitzgerald.
I'm supposed to catch up with Nandi, but you're not Nandi.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, just a second.
Is it better now?
Hey, Nandi.
Hey,
Why are you called Oren?
So what I did is I basically created an account on Twitter from complete scratch with this name, Orien Fitzgerald, without using without using my real identity or anything.
Are you recording this?
Should be
Yes,
recording
yes.
this.
So say hi to the camera because this, this is also being recorded. Yeah.
I have the other half of the story. We're looking for new web designers, right?
Yes.
And I'm always on the hunt for new talent. My feed suggests some work from Auden Fitzgerald. This kid's making dope shit, right? So I said it to him. I'm like, you should get on the phone with this kid. Afterwards, he comes to me. He's like, it's the weirdest fucking call ever. No camera. Like, he didn't want to share anything. You made 11K in 60 days with a new account. 3,400 followers in 60 days. It's a new benchmark for working hard. And what the cool creative challenge for yourself.
Thank you so
Amazing.
much.
Like, really, really cool. Yeah. Awesome
Thank
work.
you.
Hopefully, reaction of yours is gonna be something that tells you that yeah, indeed, this was something that no one really knew about. I'm gonna see you in one of my tutorials, I guess. Bye.